Hey viewers, Chris from Chris Country here. Just gonna do a quick cold start video for you today. It's been a while since I've made a cold start video. I think the last one that I've made that you could really say was a cold start was my 76, 75 Chevy, and that was quite a few years ago. Casper here has pretty much been sitting overnight. I parked her at about 10 o'clock last night after I got home, 10:30. Temperature outside right now is 18 with a wind chill of 1, and as you can obviously tell, she's been snowed on. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in and see how she does on her the cold start. She's never failed to start, although some days she's kind of cranky, like as I'm sure you've seen in the other videos, you'll hear like that clicking sound, and I just have to cycle the key a couple of times. So here we go. Go ahead and unlock my door here. Close the house door so my wife doesn't freeze herself out. Alright, make sure my wipers are off so they're not trying to go up when I turn things on.
Sister calls herself a sexy grandma. Brothers.
Now let's see. Miles. Oh, pardon me. Probably can't see it, but my mileage would be 164,670 even. Turn my stuff off here. There you go. Starting on the first T-turn, how about that? Some days she just surprises me. That squealing you're hearing is probably just my belt. I mean, quite a few vehicles up here do that when they're cold, so. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the cold start, and we will talk to you later.